This is the installation video for EveryDrop Ice and Water Refrigerator Filter 2. To maximize contaminant reduction, including pharmaceuticals, replace your filter every 6 months. Step 1. Be sure you have the correct filter. If you need help deciding that Filter 2 is right for your refrigerator, use the filter finder at findyoureverydropfilter.ca. Step 2. Remove your new filter from its packaging. Lift the orange cap from the top of the filter. Be sure the black O-rings are still in place. Step 3. Locate your filter in your refrigerator. For Filter 2, you'll find it inside in the upper right-hand corner of the ceiling. To remove the water filter, push up on the front of the compartment door to lower the filter. Step 4. Turn the filter counterclockwise to the left and pull it straight out. Note, excess water may spill from the old filter, so have a towel handy. Step 5. Time to install your new EveryDrop filter. Look for the notch on the refrigerator filter docking compartment and align it with the notch on your filter. Then, gently insert it into place and turn it clockwise to the right until it stops. Be sure the filter is turned all the way until it's secured. Close the filter compartment by lifting it up from the front edge until it clicks. Now, flush 4 gallons through your refrigerator water dispenser before drinking. This removes any air and ensures the fast flow performance of the EveryDrop for cleaner tasting water. Water at the speed of life.